What's cooking in Odoo 19?
This one got a major upgrades.
That sounds powerful. So instead of manually assigning and planning tasks,
Indeed, every module becoming more interconnected and
hey everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Dev Talks with Rancy and Maitri. I am Maitri.
and I'm Rancy. So glad to be back with another podcast.
In our last episode, we dived into some Odoo 19 features and wow, the response was amazing.
Absolutely. And today we are going to explore something even more exciting, the upcoming features in Odoo 19.
Yes, Rancy, we'll break down updates application-wise and I will bring some user perspective how these features can make a difference real-world business scenarios. Let's start with Project App. What's new there, Rancy?
A lot. Odoo 19 now allows user to create projects directly from the templates, which speed up the onboarding from new projects significantly. And also tasks can be scheduled automatically based on dependency and project stages.
That sounds powerful. So instead of manually assigning and planning tasks, it's all set in one go.
Exactly. And there's more tasks can now be dispatched automatically based on project roles, making delegation seamless.
That's super useful, especially for agency or IT firms where roles are predefined. And are you mentioned about the calendar?
Yes, you can now schedule tasks directly from the calendar view. It's visual, intuitive, integrates with the overall planning module.
Speaking of planning, what's new in the planning module?
Well, Odoo 19 introduced attendance analysis features in planning. You can now analyze attendance directly, planning within the schedule to better allocate resources.
Nice. That help managers to optimize work hours and reduce idle time. A great move for HR and team leads. Let's move to a simpler yet vital app. Any updates?
Yes, you can set deadline on to-do items, making it more aligned with project timelines.
Finally, deadline are crucial. Any automation here?
Absolutely, you can email specific areas create on to-do items directly. Great quick thoughts or remote team collaboration.
Field service has been growing fast in Odoo. What's cooking in Odoo 19?
Two great features. First, you can track field work location using timer. It's perfect login services duration and verifying visits. Second, there's now appointment integration, so customer can book services directly with available slots.
Game changer for service companies. Real-time tracking and booking super professional. And what about the head desk model?
In Odoo 19 introduced ticket dispatching based on text. So if ticket is take payment issue, it goes to the financial team automatically.
That adds intelligence and speed to support system. Great for improving SLA response time. Let's talk about Discuss, one of my personal favorite.
This one got a major upgrades. Now in the chatter and note sections, you can mention roles using like a sales manager, format messages with bold, italic and even emojis, push notification for urgent messages, forward conversation to agent automatically, and this is cool, generated directly from messages.
Wow, that makes internal communication smarter and more actionable. It feels like a Slack meets CRM. Nancy, thank you for amazing walkthrough. Odoo 19 looks like it's all about productivity, automation and smarter workflow.
Indeed, every module becoming more interconnected and intelligent.
Alright folks, that's it for today's podcast. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updates to our next Odoo episode. Until then,
Keep exploring Odoo 19.
bye Odooers!